Pythia, are you a rat? Pythia is 2 + 2, 5. Pythia, was Albert Einstein born on Pi Day? Pythia, does a Rubik's Cube have 22 sides? Pythia, are proteins made up of amino acids? Pythia, was the Python language named after a snake? Pythia, is a quasar a type of active galaxy? Pythia, is a millimeter 1/100th of a meter? Pythia, does the myelin sheath speed up the transmission of nerve impulses?
At MSU, there is a large project dedicated to the development of neurotechnology under the leadership of Mikhail Lebedev. Specifically, my laboratory is working on the development of implantable neurointerfaces as part of this project. Together with the company Neiry, we are also developing electrodes, connectors, amplifiers, and artificial intelligence algorithms for these devices. We decided to test our developments in a slightly mischievous experiment from a scientific point of view. We can transmit artificial sensations to the brain using our devices. We have rats with electrodes implanted in their brains. We ask the rat a question to which obviously the animal does not know the answer. Artificial intelligence recognizes this question and suggests an answer to the rat through electrical brain stimulation. And for the rat, subjectively, it feels like certain sensations in the body. To exaggerate a bit, when the rat feels a pit in its stomach, that's the response. No, but when she feels it in her heart, then the answer is yes. And thus we have an animal that can answer questions using artificial intelligence.
We are engaged in development of products based on neurotechnologies for completely different industries and areas of life, and the experiment with Pythia rat is one of the stages of the project, and intuition in the future will become the technological core for a product, a consumer product, that will connect the human brain with all of humanity's knowledge. For example, a user will be able to feel the truth or falsehood of any statement or intuitively understand which answer in the test is correct, considering that the entire evolution of humanity is aimed at increasing efficiency and our product enhances efficiency. With our project, we gently move humanity to the next, an evolutionary stage where he will no longer be alone, but together with a faithful and reliable symbiote, artificial intelligence.
Pythia, has the world become multipolar?
What is happening here now is the realization of my long-held dream. Why do I say that? Because I worked at Duke University, where I conducted neurophysiological experiments, where we sent information into the brains of rats and monkeys in order to evoke sensations in them, artificial tactile sensations, other sensations. Also, in one experiment, we connected 2 rats and they communicated with each other in rat language. Moreover, they were in different states. Now, many of those I worked with are working for Elon Musk, and they are trying to continue this research in much the same spirit. But what is happening here now is simply a revolution. Why? Because here artificial intelligence is combined with the brain of a rat, then other animals, and eventually a human. Why is this necessary? It is necessary because we need to solve an existential problem. Artificial intelligence. Is it our assistant or our competitor? And how will we live with it? We will live very well, coexisting peacefully. Artificial intelligence is integrating with natural intelligence, and they will work together. Artificial intelligence will do what it does well. He will memorize vast amounts of information, process this information, and transmit it to the natural brain. And what will the natural brain do? The natural brain will perform its tasks related to creativity, intuition, and consciousness. But this is just the beginning, and ahead of us lies a revolution with colossal and fantastic results.